Alright guys, quick video on my Mitsubishi Strada. The door panels I'm changing out to diamond plate. They were, this material. See, this kind of goes an upward slant. I left it like that. That's the way they were, but I didn't really notice that. If I noticed that, I would have re-drilled like the hole. And it doesn't even really give you any room to do that, does it? No, it doesn't. I was thinking to maybe re-drill the hole and drop this down so I can screw it back in. Whatever. I gotta have them in like that so that they hold the panels on. I still gotta pull out these plastic tabs. They're left over, but I'm going with diamond plate. Give it more of that rough look. Put all the pocket, door handle, everything back on. What had happened is that window had gotten broken out on me, and I got water damage, so I had to get a new window, tint it, and then the panel, when I pulled it off to do the window, just disintegrated from the water damage. So I truck bed coated this area here. I got new seals coming in that I'm going to pop in, replace the old ones, stuff like that. Pretty good, huh? Peace.